Looking for an epoxy flooring contractor near you? With HPS Flooring, you get more than just a surface. You get craftsmanship you can see and performance you can rely on. Every floor is installed with precision, creating a smooth, seamless finish that transforms any space into something clean, modern, and built to last. Durable against daily wear, resistant to stains, and easy to maintain, epoxy flooring is designed to keep up without losing its edge. No peeling, no cracking, just a strong, polished look that holds up over time. From start to finish, attention to detail makes a difference, because the right contractor doesn't just install a floor, they elevate the entire space. HPS Flooring, your local epoxy flooring contractor, delivering results that stand out.